Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk about a very famous brand which provides you with tasty delights, the Panera bread, and why is it gaining popularity in United States. It has been spread all over the United States. There are almost 2000 stores of Panera bread, and we are going to talk about the Panera promo code 2021 and its popularity in United States. So, before moving forward, I would love if you like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. So, the company currently operates as a St. Louis bread company in Greater St. Louis area and has been known for its fast casual restaurants with over 2000 locations all over the United States. The Panera Bread Company is you all know, American chain store, which provides you with tasty, delicious food that includes bakery items, salads, pasta, sandwiches, coupons, soups, and specialty drinks, and more. So, as of 2020, this menu had generic things that you can find at any restaurant, but since because of the growing competition, I think the makers have included the flatbread pizzas as well in their menu. You can also find scones and muffins, croissants, cookies, brownies, and bagels, and also a wide varieties of pastries and baked goods for your taste buds. So, as the company provides breads as well, which can be used raw for cooking at your homes and other items for your everyday meal. There are several Panera Bread coupon codes 2021 that can be found in the recent times and can be utilized to get off and discounts on your orders. These coupons also include free delivery and sales and promo codes that will help you buy more in less amount of expenditure. So there are several codes that can be found online, which includes $4 off or sale, in which you can order Pandera delivery or catering online in the recent times. There is also a free 4 months of unlimited coffee with subscription, and the first 3 months free with My Panera plus coffee subscriptions that can be found in these promo codes. You can also find Panera bread near you, Panera bread near you online and in store sale by applying to the coupons. And as you click on the show coupon code, you can easily avail a coupon in regards to wherever you live by providing your delivery address and pin code, and you can also shop Panera gift card online. So there's a lot that Panera has to offer in the 2021 deal, and this can certainly be of your good use as we know it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. Thank you and have a nice day.